If you need to find your Calendly embed code, this video will walk you through the fastest way to get it. Whether you want to add Calendly to your website, create a pop-up booking button, or embed an inline scheduling page, the steps are simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the scheduling section. This is where all of your event types are listed, and it's the place you'll go to get the code for the booking option you want to use. Next, find the event type that you want to embed on your website. If you have multiple meeting types, such as a discovery call, demo call, or consultation booking page, choose the one that matches the page or button you're building. After you find the correct event type, click the three-dot More menu next to it. This menu gives you additional options for that specific event, including sharing and website embedding tools. From there, click Add to Website. This is the option that opens Calendly's embed settings and generates the code you need. Now, Calendly will show you different embed options. You can choose Inline Embed if you want the calendar displayed directly on a page. You can choose Popup Widget if you want a floating widget people can open from your site. Or you can choose Popup Text if you want a simple text link that opens the scheduling window. Take a moment to pick the option that best fits your website layout and the experience you want visitors to have. If you want a clean booking section on a landing page, Inline Embed is usually the best choice. If you want to keep the page simple and let users click to book, a pop-up option may work better. Once you select your embed type, click Continue. Calendly will then generate the embed code for that specific option. On the next screen, click Copy Code. This copies the full HTML or script snippet to your clipboard, and that is the Calendly embed code you'll paste into your website builder, WordPress page, or custom HTML block. After copying the code, you can paste it wherever your website platform allows custom embed code. If you're using a website builder, look for an embed, custom code, HTML, or code block section, then paste the code and save or publish your page. And that's it. You've now found your Calendly embed code and copied it in just a few clicks. The key steps are logging in, going to scheduling, selecting your event type, opening the More menu, choosing Add to Website, picking your embed style, and clicking Copy Codes. If you want more simple tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.